applications and the jobs were like some only in 1000, something like that. So that is how the tough competition is, people. So we have to really create that tough mindset wherein we can actually explore more jobs, we can utilize all the channels, and once we get an opportunity, you'll have to ensure that you give your best to select in that and get selected in that particular opportunity. So that is what we are trying to do through this particular group. Okay, so just sort of talking about something which is into mindset, because once your mindset is strong, then you can take care of all other stuff. All other stuff are actually secondary. Once you are willing to do it, then you will do it. Okay, so that is more important thing. Now let me talk about how there are many freshers who have joined this particular group. They have recently joined us. They are exploring jobs. They are not much aware about exactly what market is and how things are. So I thought of covering up some points which can be helpful for them. Okay, some points such as what should a person actually do. Now there are many people who have joined this particular platform from LinkedIn. Okay, so they are already on LinkedIn. They are already on LinkedIn. So we all know this, people. We all know this. Okay, so how to use these channels, how to, what to do, what not to do, we will talk something about that. Point number one, people, get yourself registered on at least 5 job portals, 5 job search engines. To name a few, Monster has done it really well. Times Jobs had really got a good feedback. Shine is another one. There is like Virtusitum, that if I'm spelling it right, that five recognized start that. I will keep the session short. Have a so once you do this, move on to another. There are many people who are not company has their own career pages. So there is a small task for if you are a mechanical engineer, if you are a civil engineer, if you did your BCA, if you did your to that once you find out the list, once you find out these companies, make a list of these companies. Once you make a list of these companies, go ahead, check their sites. You will find some career. You will find, okay, Pankaj voice is breaking. Hey, am I audible enough, Sumit? I could see that Pankaj is saying
Yeah,
your voice
actually,
is.
yes, your voice was breakable actually.
There's some
But
network issue
now,
actually.
yeah, now it's okay.
From last 2 to 3 days, network is just troubling quite a bit. Okay, so let's proceed. Now it seems to be okay. So point number two, go ahead, search for these career pages. Go ahead and register for these career pages. You will find many jobs there. Even if you do not get any particular job there, go ahead and register it. Because as soon as you register there, your number would go to these people. And once these people start coming up with opportunities, most often you will get auto triggers about that. And at the same time, people will also get in touch with you because they already have your email ID. This is most important thing, and this thing has worked very much recently. For example, few of the people from a particular group, they did this thing into Amazon, and Amazon actually is known for the standards of very tough interviews. But the thing which they did this time is that whoever has applied, or whoever is registered on their career page, they have already provided preference to these people. So they were the people who were first to get preference. Okay, so you also go ahead and do this, and definitely you will see some impact out of this. Okay, so this was another important point. Third point is that people, do not wait for people to come up with jobs. We will be posting jobs, that is fine, but try to explore as much as jobs as you can, because the competition is tough. Okay, because the competition is really tough, and more opportunities that you apply for will help you in getting more and more requirements, and the chances of you getting placed would somewhat increase. So go ahead, apply for this, register for this, and do not sit back and wait, assuming that you would get the calls. Start exploring these pages. There is too much out there actually. Start using platform, and as soon as you see there is something according to your skill set, go ahead and apply for it, people. This is very important, this is very genuine, and it works. And it is one, again, the observation is that, okay, Pankaj is saying, yeah, Pankaj, I do agree, its voice is breaking, sometimes it's echoing, but yeah, there is, now it's fine. There is network issue out here, Pankaj, from last 2 days. We are expecting some fluctuations, but anyways, we'll proceed, Pankaj, we'll proceed the way it is. Okay. So where we were, okay. So start applying for this particular jobs, people. Start applying. And the observation is that people initially, whenever they wanted to hire fresher, they used to directly go in colleges, they used to conduct campus interviews. But now the trend has somewhat changed. Even big MNCs who previously only used to look at campuses, they have also come up with their own platforms wherein they get nominations from the people across, irrespective of whatever the college they come from, irrespective of wherever they come from. They take the nominations from there. They have their own platforms. Try to explore these platforms as well. Now, to name a few, there is one InfyTQ, then there is one Hack with Infy, then there is something with TCS, then there is something with SCL as well. Go ahead and try to look at these particular platforms. And at the same time, these companies are also opening their opportunities in career pages and in other search engines as well. For example, even for a fresher nowadays, companies are opening their jobs on these particular portals. So if you tried 0 to 1 years of experience, and that is how you could search using your skill set. So do that, that would help you. Okay. It is basic stuff, people. It is basic stuff. But this being a first interaction, I just wanted to set some context right so that at least the people who are not aware of this as well, they can do it in a proper way. Just expecting a job to come in, just waiting from here and there some post and randomly sending emails is not going to help at this point of time, because jobs are less and applicants are somewhat more. So do all these things in a systemized manner and things will start working for you. Okay. And another important observation was that whenever you upload your resume in these particular platforms, try to use Word format. Recently, people have started using all graphicals. It looks good, people. Okay, it looks good. On one particular page, there are a few columns here and there. They use in graphical representation. But these particular resumes, the chances of they getting tracked by this particular recruiters using all the search engines is somewhat led. They call it as a applicant tracking system. These type of resumes do not generally get tracked in applicant tracking system. It works in a particular manner, people. Okay. So what you have to do is use Word file. Generally, if you upload a common Word file, that is what will help you. Whenever you upload a Word file, update your skill set, then repeat those skill sets in the form of internship. If you have done any, if you are a fresher, if you are not a fresher, then try to repeat those particular skill sets, elaborate it while specifying your experience. Okay. Elaborate it there. And that is how the chances of your resume getting tracked increases. It works like if some word is repeated 2 to 3 times in 2 to 3 columns of your resume, the chances of that particular word getting tracked in the automated system which people use nowadays increases. Okay, that is another thing. Keep revisiting your resume again and again. Keep updating it. By doing this, your resumes will get automatically refreshed, and the chances of a person, of a recruiter, to see this particular refreshed resume again increases. Try to make some changes in it. Try to make some changes, not the major changes, some small changes here and there, and that is how your resume gets refreshed. Okay, once your resume thing is done, once you have uploaded, there is a systemized process for it. Okay. There are some search engines who allow you to update 2 to 3 resumes as well. For example, Naukri.com or Times Job. Just explore it, people. It will allow you to explore to update 2 to 3 resumes. One would be your primary resume, another would be your secondary resume. So whenever you apply for requirement there, it is not that you will use one particular resume for everything. Customize it. Customize it. Even for an example, whenever you get an email ID stating that this particular person is looking to hire this particular skill set, do not go ahead and share your primary resume out there. See if there is any specific JD there. JD means job description. See if there is specific JD. Customize your resume accordingly. So what does customization means? It doesn't mean that if you have not done anything, you have to add it there. No, that is not what customization is. Customize it in a way that if you know about that particular skill set and if you have done something about that, elaborate about those particular skill sets in your resume in a better manner. That is how things work. The common mistake that people do is that they use one basic resume and they keep sharing it everywhere. You have to make some twist towards it. And that is how it works, people. Another common observation which I thought of sharing now is that whenever you share a resume, rename your resume with your particular name and followed by like underscore, followed by the skill set that you have. By doing this, a recruiter, as soon as he sees your resume, will get an idea about what skill set the person is and who the person is. If he's a fresher, followed by your skill set, followed by underscore your fresher. So this thing really helps. This is a common mistake what people are doing. So what they currently do is that they send resumes without proper file name. They please find attached. That is what they write. They do not properly know write something on email body. They just go and hit and share the same resume with everyone without a proper file name. So by doing this, what is happening is that this thing was discussed a few days back in one of the sessions by one of our different HRs named Tulsi. She is also a part of a platform. She is an expert out there. So just sending resumes without writing anything on email body, not even updating the particular file name. And these particular resumes are outright rejected. Rejected in the sense, a person who is properly writing a cover, updating a file name, a recruiter would prefer to open those profiles. They would get the primary first preference. So it is very important. Okay, internet is again unstable. Okay, can you hear me, guys?
Yes, but voice is not that much clear in between.
I know. Anyways, people, we are trying to fix it. We are trying to fix this problem. Our router is not working. This lockdown is not helping either. But anyways, we'll proceed, people. Okay. So some value add which is being shared, people start applying these things. And I was talking about writing something on email body, right? People call it as cover letter. So what exactly you should write on email body? First, it would be your introduction. I would like to apply for this particular requirement. Then what makes you eligible for that particular requirement? If you have done some internship, you have special liking for that. If you have done some trainings related to that, go ahead and write all particular things out there. Okay. So third paragraph would be like expecting a reply and looking forward to work with these people, anxiously waiting for the reply, something like that. Three paragraphs are good enough. Three paragraphs are good enough. So ensure that you write these particular things whenever you share a resume to any specific recruiter, and that would really help you, people. Okay, that would really help you to stand out and do the things which others are not doing. That would make your life easy. Okay, so these are the things which actually you can do. There are few other stuff, people. Okay, what's the time now? Let's cover it. It's only 20 minutes, right? Few other stuff, right? there are some some websites. There are some websites who conduct different contests. There are some websites who conduct different contests. You can be a part of this particular contest as well. And if in case you clear this particular contest, you get a direct opportunity to appear for the interview for a respective company. Okay, so the websites are like Hacker Earth, if I'm not wrong. That is one of the websites. So after completing this webinar, right, I will post some of the names of this particular websites as well on the particular platform that we have. So go ahead and look at this particular platform. I will share all the details with you. So try to see if in case there is any specific hackathon or any specific contest that is currently going on related to your skill set, related to your experience. Go ahead and participate in that hackathon. Go ahead, participate in that hackathon. That would make life very easy for you. Okay, so these are all the things, people, that you can actually do if in case you are looking for a job. Okay, so next step would be like once you apply for a job, you will get a call from there. Again, the important thing is that you being a fresher, if you are a fresher, you would be somewhat dicey, you would be somewhat tentative, you would be somewhat hesitant, you would be somewhat not at the par level of confidence. These things would be there, but you have to like overcome these things. Because I would tell you one particular hack, team. Okay, whenever you enter or whenever you are about to enter in an interview, now most of the things are happening online. Whenever you are about to enter in an interview call, rather than thinking about how the interview is going to be, just think that the interview is going to be good and you would rock the interview. just just think about this particular thing and go ahead and just sit in front of the interview. Let the interview start. After a while, as soon as like one two sentences are just if they just come on a track, ultimately the entire interview will come in place, people. You just need to switch that mindset from how would be the interview to look like how exactly is going to be the particular interview. Instead of thinking that, you just think that about, okay, this interview is going to be good interview and you would rock the show. So this one of the things that is what you can do. Be prepared for your interview well in advance. Well in advance, just be prepared. Ensure that all whatever is written on your resume, you are well aware of it. So this is one important thing, so that whenever someone asks you about what your resume is, you should be in a position to talk to them about what it is and what exactly it is. And few of the things, people, whenever you are in an interview, what is expected from you, what much is expected from you. The interviewer basically just tries to see few things from a particular interviewer. He want that person to be committed to whatever he's saying. He want that person to be logical, to be reasonable, to be responsible, and he looks for that commitment and positive attitude. These are a few things. Whatever is asked, whatever it is, just try to answer this particular question, keeping these aspects in your mind. Whatever the question may be, right? If in case you attend a particular webinar, person will be talking about what are the questions will be asked and how you should answer, and all those things. As far as you keep in your mind that, you are committed to the work, if in case you are selected, if you show that you have positive mindset, positive attitude, you have eagerness to learn, you are sensible, you are logical, and you have good attitude. If just take care of these 5 to 6 things, and whatever you answer, answer it placing in the keeping in mind these 5 to 6 things. And as soon as you do it, people, you would realize that you would clear the interview. So this is one of the important things that I thought of sharing. Okay, so that is what it is, people. Let's wrap it up. And about the platform, team, about the platform, we will post multiple requirements. Try to be on top of it. Try to be on top of it. There is one particular link wherein if a person is struggling to get a job from a long time, he can just update the query on that particular link as well. So do that. Utilize this particular platform. There is something known as a career grow platform as well. So we have different people from different fields who are actually already working in the industry. We have all these people there in that particular platform known as career grow. We have invited these people as experts of the particular field that they have, wherein they come, they share their knowledge, they guide people. So this is what the value we are trying to provide. So if in case you find it difficult, if in case you have some queries, go ahead, look at those particular links. I will share it after this completion of this particular webinar. Try to see if there is any particular webinar, any expert which is related to you. And if in case you have any query related to him, direct it to him. Now, for example, there is one expert known as Tausif. Okay, he is a delivery head and currently working in one of the MNCs. He is working in one of the companies as a delivery head. Tomorrow he has planned some webinar. It's like some question and answer session, if I am not wrong. So you people also try to make you utilize that particular session. I will share the details with you. So go ahead and join that. So by doing this, we will have that core mindset, we will have skills, we will have job posts with us. At the same time, we will have the potential to grab the job posts that are coming in, and not only relying on this particular job post, we should have that mindset of looking beyond things that are there in front of us, so that we could maximize efforts. And that is how when the result comes in good. Because just imagine a situation wherein 400 people are applying for 20 jobs. It's right, actually turns very tough, right? So ensure that you do all these things. Okay, ensure that you do all these things well. I will be sharing the platforms. I will be sharing the details of webinars that are being conducted. Tomorrow would be a question and answer session. Then very soon, Tulsi is an IT expert. Again, she is an HR human resource professional. She is also coming up with some webinars. Just whatever you do, blend it with all these things and utilize all these things to perfection. And that is how things would be. Okay, guys. Before logging off, right, you could see Sumit. Okay, hey, hey, Sumit.
Yeah, hi there.
Hey guys, Sumit is there actually. Sumit is a part of this journey from like for much time, from 6 to 7 months. Okay, a part of this particular platform that we have. Sumit has recently got selected in one of the companies. Sumit, if you like to share some experience or if you have some suggestions from these people, Sumit is a developer, right? Sumit.
Yes, yes.
Sumit is he's into IT, he is into development team, and he got recently selected. Probably Sumit, if you could just share some of your experiences or suggestions how things can work for the people who are looking for jobs, I think it would be helpful for them to listen from you
Yes,
specifically.
exactly. Yeah. For the job description is very valuable also. That our platform named LinkedIn also. You have to be that much active on the LinkedIn also. You have to be active and you have to apply many software jobs. There is a group as well and many software jobs. I got the opportunity from the LinkedIn, not from the Naukri, not from the anyone else side. Actually, I was not that much hunting for one opportunity from the LinkedIn and I applied 2 or 3 companies I got and I selected in all the companies. And the things which is important for the, as Rabin Bhai said, the attitude and the confidence which you are having for interview. The interview is for just the, is he's not expecting that every answer you are going to correct answers, right? The way you answer, the way you deliver the things, the way you deliver the concept which you are having, that is the most important thing. Your attitude, your positiveness, and your communication as what you are communicate with the interviewer at the time of interview. That is the most important factor which will create a good impact on the interview as well and for the further recruitment process. And this is the things I have dealt and even that in current company I am working in, I have got the much positive impact of my this attitude and I'm loving it.
That's great, Sumit. That's great, actually. So, guys, Sumit spoke about having 2 to 3 offers or 2 to 3 offers at the same time, and all via LinkedIn. And that is how you have to be. And he was positive. He was active on all these particular platforms, and that is what helped him. So good.
Actually, actually I'm having 5 to 6 requests with the messages right now as well. They are demanding, but I'm not going to switch right now because you know that what the thing I was facing from the last some months.
Yes, stick to one job. Okay, once you get one particular job, right, stick to it. If it's a good job, be committed to it. Be committed to it because commitment matters. Once you see that there is 1 or 2 years, 2 years of experience in your resume, then your resume will automatically speak for you. Then you not have to think too much about speaking and talking. Your resume will do all that stuff for you. You just have to go and normally just do a talking with these people, and things will then automatically work. So
And
try to build a good.
the thing for the positive attitude and the decision to tackle the situation is right in my company that my image from the day one is just like good. And currently, I've just joined 3 months is about to happen, and I'm just leading one team also, just supporting and reviewing them code, and even more than my experienced persons. They are coming to me and asking for the help. That this is the even 5 or 7 of experienced persons are also taking help from me. And this is a good thing that impact which is having. And even the manager and the director also. That I'm currently working with the project directly with the CEO of the company, not anyone other head.
So that happens, people. Okay, that is really good to listen. That Sumit, guys, let me tell you. Okay, Sumit, what he is right. He is a good person. Has that positive attitude, and he has worked towards it since long. I know him how he started and how like he has stick to whatever he wanted to do. He has that attitude, people. Okay, he has that attitude, and that is how he was able to come up. And attitude at last it matters. The way you speak, the way you communicate, it all matters in the end. Before getting a job as well, it matters. And even after getting into a job, it matters, people. So it's very important. Okay. And another thing is, Sumit spoke about LinkedIn, right? It is very powerful tool, people. Okay. I have conducted 2 webinars on that, specifically on LinkedIn. I will just share those links. It's like half an hour webinar each. One is for LinkedIn and one is for other job search platforms. If you're really interested, just have a look at it and apply those learnings which are shared in that, and that would make your life very easy, people. Okay, it's a systemized process. What you have to do, what you do, what you do, how to approach different people, how to build up your resume, these things. And also, I will be sharing, as I said, I will be sharing the details about tomorrow's workshop, which is expected to be conducted by Mr. Tawseef, a delivery head who is currently working with one of the IT companies. So go ahead, in case you want to join that, just make maximum out of it. He is also conducting some different programs wherein career building and guidance are things are also there. Probably you can have a look at that as well later. So that is what I wanted to communicate, team. Anyone, if in case you have any questions before we wrap up, we can do it in 10 minutes. I could see few people are here. If in case you have any questions, probably you can raise it. We would just try to sort it. If in case you do not have any question now, I would be sharing a link. Keep those questions with you. You can directly text me as well. I may not be prompt in responding on WhatsApp, but it may take some time, but I will ensure that I get back to you. So if you do not have any questions as of now, it's fine. You can either text me on my WhatsApp number, or I will share a link. You can just write it there. I will just try to have a look at that. I will get back to you. We are there to help you. Let's try to make maximum out of the platforms that we have. Have that positive mindset, because more than the policies, more than the practices, more than the do's and don'ts, it is the mindset that matters. With the right mindset, with the right strategies, you would achieve everything that you get, irrespective of it being a job, or after getting a job, what if it's a promotion, or after getting promotions on level beyond that, satisfaction in life, everything you will attend if you have a proper mindset and the strategies and the knowledge about how to do it. So this is what I wanted to say.